To factory reset your DJI Pocket 3, what you need to do is to swipe down your finger, and then we will reach the setting gear over here. And finally, we will swipe down to the very bottom, almost. I'm gonna climb up a little bit, and we will select factory reset right over here, and then hit confirm. Then it is resetting and restart. It takes a couple of seconds, and the camera will reboot like a brand new one that you take out of the box for the first time. You will be asked to select your language, and then you're gonna have that intro that explain everything like when you started it for the first time, except that you don't have to reconnect it to the Mimo app to register your device. So I hope this video was helpful.